We handle the maintenance on our Onan RV generator ourselves. We've done several videos showing how to do that, and if you've watched them, we hope they've helped you do it yourself too. But they may also have helped you decide that you don't want to. Today we're going to talk about generator maintenance and also share a new special that you can take advantage of if you don't want to handle it on your own. When it comes to RV maintenance, repair, and upgrades, we handle most things ourselves. You don't have to be a professional technician to manage an awful lot of projects on your own. Our Onan generator is one area in particular that we've made a point of maintaining ourselves. We've made 3 videos that show the different tasks that we manage on the generator, including oil and filter change.
Loosen the oil drain plug and remove it, being careful not to get burned by hot oil.
Air cleaner.
Now replace the metal cap, tighten the wing nut back in place, replace the air filter housing, and tighten on the outside wing nut.
Spark arrestor cleaning.
When you remove the bolt from the socket, you're going to see all the soot from the spark arrestor. Now, leave the spark arrestor bolt out and fire the generator back up.
Also one on changing the fuel filter.
Put the new filter into place and finger tighten both of the fuel line nuts and the nut in the center. To avoid cross-threading, always start nuts by hand. Then use your open-end wrenches, tightening them one more flat after they're seated against the fitting, which equals 1/6 of a turn.
And another on changing the coolant.
One thing we want to try and do is to avoid getting any liquid into either one of these tubes. These are the vent and overflow tubes, and this large tube is the fill tube. One way to do that is to use this type of funnel to put liquid in here by putting it way down inside the tube to make sure that it all goes in the fill tube and none of it in the overflow or the vent tube.
Those videos cover the major maintenance items that need to be covered on a regular basis on our Onan diesel generator. Those videos are step-by-step DIY tutorials that show you exactly how to do each maintenance task on the generator. But they serve another purpose too, and that might be to make it so you don't want to do them on your own. Some people watch a tutorial video to find out what's involved only to make the decision that it's not something they want to tackle. That's true with us too. Engine maintenance is a great example. You may have seen our video last year where we went to Cummins Coach Care and had all the engine and chassis maintenance done on our RV. We know what's involved, and we know that we could probably handle most or all of it on our own, but knowledge about what it takes to do it made us decide we'd rather not. If you decide you don't want to handle a certain maintenance task and want to have it done by a pro, we have some news on our specials with Cummins. In that video last year, we announced that Cummins was offering special deals on inspection and maintenance packages for RV Geeks viewers at Cummins Coach Care facilities. But in case you didn't know it, Cummins also owns Onan. And now Cummins has announced they're going to be offering specials on Onan diesel and gas generators, and not just at Coach Care locations, but at all North American Cummins service facilities. The RV Geeks Onan service specials are good through May 31st, 2021. Now the original packages are all still good through July 31st, 2021. Cummins has a special page on their website with complete details. It's now.cummins.com/RVGeeks. We'll put links down below in the video description to the special landing page on the Cummins website, as well as to our blog post all about maintaining your generator. After all, if you haven't seen how to do it yet, watching those videos may make you decide to do it yourself. But if not, you can leave it to a pro at a special price. Check below for details. As always, safe travels, and thanks for watching.
Today we're going to do the annual service on our Onan quiet diesel generator. Having a generator in a slide out isn't essential, but it sure does make the job easier. We'll need an oil drain pan, a replacement air filter, replacement oil, a new oil filter, rubber gloves, a spare rag, a socket wrench with a very long extension on it, and an oil filter wrench. And don't forget something to lie on when you crawl under the RV, like this bamboo mat.